Is that incessant squeaking from under the hood driving you nuts every time you hit the road? Don't let a squeaky belt ruin your driving experience. Discover how to silence that annoying sound and keep your car running smoothly with these practical solutions. A squeaky belt in your car can be a persistent annoyance, but fear not. There are several steps you can take to diagnose and fix the issue. Let's delve into the common causes of squeaky belts and explore effective solutions to get your vehicle purring again. Common causes of squeaky belts: wear and tear. Over time, the belt in your car's engine can wear down, leading to squeaking noises as it rubs against various components. Misalignment. If the belt is not properly aligned with the pulleys, it can cause friction and result in that dreaded squeak. Tension issues. An overly tight or loose belt can also produce squeaking sounds. Contaminants, dirt, debris, or oil buildup on the belt or pulleys can create friction and noise. Solutions to fix a squeaky belt. Inspect the belt. Begin by visually inspecting the belt for signs of wear, cracks, or fraying. Replace the belt if necessary. Check for misalignment. Ensure that the belt is correctly aligned with the pulleys. Adjust the tension and alignment as needed. Adjust belt tension. Use a tension gauge to measure the tension of the belt. Adjust it to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. Clean the belt and pulleys. Remove any dirt, debris, or oil buildup from the belt and pulleys using a clean cloth and a mild solvent. Apply belt dressing. Consider applying a specialized belt dressing spray to reduce friction and eliminate squeaks. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Replace pulleys. If the pulleys are worn or damaged, they may need to be replaced to prevent further squeaking. Ready to bid farewell to that pesky squeaky belt? Don't let it linger any longer. Subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips. Share this guide with fellow drivers and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Let's keep those engines humming smoothly together.